Emma has the original version, the non-spicy, and I have the spicy version. I can smell it. It's not as spicy as the fire noodles, so this is like the perfect.
But
the good?
Not really.
Okay, my first bite.
It's like highlight yellow.
Mm. Mm. Wow. I almost choked there because I was using my left hand and got caught. Is it good?
Yeah.
Normally, Emma can eat about half a pack, so I'm gonna get some later.
What?
Normally, you can only eat half a pack, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll always eat your leftover. Every time you do these noodles, I always have like 4 bites, and it's like the perfect bite. Just enough.
I finished one before.
Yeah, you have. Sometimes you don't finish it, right? Because you eat only like half.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This type of color, the sauce of this noodles,
Yeah.
that's a kind of type lipstick I like dark.
You like dark lipstick?
Like black.
Black lipstick? I've never seen you wear black lipstick. Okay, the next time we do a video, I'm gonna dare you to do wear black lipstick. Some hot sauce. Try with my right hand here.
How are you gonna do that?
Do you want to try this one?
No.
Just a little bit?
No.
Just to see how spicy it is?
No.
Okay, maybe at the end.
I think not.
Don't try it now or else you'll be like too like spicy to finish your noodles. And then I'll have to finish your noodles. I can never figure out what these little ones are. These little black things. Potatoes, maybe? Carrot? Mm.
Maybe.
Maybe?
Eggplants.
Maybe.
Tito. No, I never saw you eat it. Oh no.
Are you racing? Seems like you're racing. Are you excited?
For what? Summer?
My husband just told me that the campgrounds just opened like the reservation.
Busy.
Online bookings and stuff.
See, I'm almost done.
Ooh, you're very good. You must be hungry. So we were thinking of going camping
2 o'clock
if we're here. If we're here this summer. Because originally the plan was to take the entire family for the month of July and August to Thailand. But since, you know, this whole situation happened, we're probably gonna stay put if Thailand's not letting people in, so.
Or if we're not going to a campsite or whatever, we're just gonna stay home and relax and no homework. No reading.
What do you mean no reading? Reading helps you. You're going to grade 2 next year. It's going to be a lot harder. What's the one thing you don't like doing? Like from your schoolwork? Journal. She complains about doing her journal all the time.
No.
But you're so good at it. You are.
Not.
I'm serious. You're so good, Emma.
I'm figuring out to be a scientist or... Remember, you told me you should be like this discovery rock thing.
Yeah, a geologist, I think. Yeah, geologist. Study rocks. That's what you want to do? She loves collecting rocks, by the way.
Dad does not let me go pick out rocks
He does. He just doesn't like
near
you.
the backyard.
He doesn't like you picking up the rocks on the side of our house.
And we even
Where
wash
the
it
dogs,
with water.
like our neighbor has a dog, so he pees and he poops
Look, Dad.
along the side of the rocks. That's why he doesn't want you to play with those ones. Because you never know if that dog, Chihuahua.
His name is Chihuahua.
No, he wanted a dog. And we got a little mini Chihuahua. The first 2 weeks that we got it, I guess he didn't know how to play with it or treat it and kept throwing it against the wall. Yeah. And like, you know, rough playing with him. So I was kind of like scared for the dog actually.
But Totoro.
Put him in timeout. My last bite, Emma.
I can eat it so fast. I'm like, what the? I'm kind of still eating this. And then I'm like, oh, maybe you should do a race.
Maybe.
So I challenge you.
Challenge who?
Dad.
Maybe you can ask him. He always gives in to you.